city where a man can escape his past. He came in search of a new beginning.
Can I get you something?
I'm here to see Marvin.
Jimmy boy.
It's good to see you. This place is wide open. Fortune to be made. You are going to want to be a part of it.
What's her story? Guy like you and me, we don't stand a chance. Speak for yourself. I was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Yeah, you seem like that type.
Which type?
The wrong place, wrong time type.
I need to talk to him now.
Just be careful. Something's changed in him.
This time, do not try to find me. It isn't safe.
Anytime a foreigner is killed, it makes big problems for us.
Marvin's in trouble.
His bodyguard and business associate were murdered. He's up to his eyeballs with his ex-general. You can't keep stealing from Peter to pay Paul. Sooner or later, Peter gets tipped off.
You really don't trust anybody, do you?
It's different between us. We do things my way, or nobody gets nothing.